What's up, Katropa fam? This is Anne, your buddy, your friend, your Katropa. And today, guys, sisilipin natin ulit ang mundo ng Pixelverse. Now, guys, if you remember a couple of months back, we first reviewed tong Pixelverse na game and pinakita ko sa inyo yung dashboard. Back then, guys, kaka-launch pa lang nila nung Pixelbot nila, which has since been renamed to PixelTap. So, itong PixelTap, guys, it's a lot like Notcoin, no? Which alam naman natin talagang nag-blow up din yung Notcoin na yan. And the same way na nag-blow up ang Notcoin, sobrang sumikat din talaga tong Pixelverse right now. So, currently, it has the largest Web3 game ecosystem with 10 million daily active users, making it the fastest ever growing Web3 game. So, Pixelverse, guys, features a cyberpunk-themed game which is available for both Telegram and web browsers. So, yung sa web browser, guys, yung dashboard, yung pinakita ko sa inyo last YouTube video ko, you can view that here in my channel na lang. And ang papakita ko sa inyo, guys, is yung PixelTap. Because right now, guys, no, the platform boasts 70 million players and over 14 million social media followers, largely because of the user base from PixelTap. And ang ganda nitong PixelTap, guys, kasi napaka-simple game lang niya, no? Ang daling i-onboard ng mga baguhan lang sa GameFi. Ayan, guys. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, yung PixelTap. So, all you need, guys, is Telegram. So, kung may Android kayo or iOS, just download Telegram. And then, once na-download yun na, open nyo lang yan. And then, yung PixelTap, lalagay ko yung link sa description box. Click nyo lang yung link na yon and it should take you here sa PixelTap by Pixelverse na bot. Now, once it's there, guys, ayan, tap nyo lang yung Fight for Supply and it should take you inside the game. So, guys, in order for you to get more information, I suggest na na-follow nyo yung socials ng Pixelverse. So, they have Twitter, they have Telegram. But, of course, being na nasa Telegram ang PixelTap, you can quickly join yung Telegram channels. Para sa ating mga Pilipino, meron tayong Telegram channel for the Philippines. Lalagay ko yan sa description box down below yung link niyan. So, start nyo lang yan, guys. And then, may tasks kayo na pwedeng gawin for you to get extra points. So, katulad nito, pwede kayo mag-retweet, pwedeng subscribe to YouTube channel, pwede rin read the news about partners. Tapos, meron ding mga rewards like spin the wheel, meron ding daily reward. Yung daily reward na claim ko na eh. So, may countdown timer naman dyan when you can next claim. No, meron ding spin dito. Ayan, may spin ako ngayon. Mag-spin tayo para makita nyo yan. Ubus na pala yung spins ko, guys. But basically, this is where you can spin the wheel and then you can get extra rewards. Pag nawalan ka naman ng spin, guys, you can always buy now using your coins or stars. Ayan, guys. So, aside from the rewards tab, syempre dito kayo sa earn tab pupunta where you can see, no, or dito kanyo i-claim yung daily na accumulate nyo dito sa PixelTap. So, guys, once full niya yan, tap nyo lang yan para ma-claim nyo yan. And then, ma-accumulate nyo na yan, makukuha nyo na yan sa balance ninyo. You can also upgrade, guys, by tapping yung level. And then, makikita nyo dito, guys, yung corresponding tasks na kailangan nyo gawin para makapag-level up kayo. So, pag nag-level up kayo, guys, meron din corresponding na ma-add yan dito sa daily limit ninyo. No? So, yung daily limit ninyo, yan yung amount na pwede nyong ma-earn daily dito sa PixelTap. Meron ding battle fight, guys, wherein you can earn extra points here. So, you can access it through the earn tab or dito sa fight tab. So, you can choose to fight a friend or pwede ding random, no? So, when you play this, you use your pets to fight. And of course, whoever wins gets extra coins. And then, guys, dito sa mga pets nyo, pag nag-upgrade kayo ng pets dyan, madadagdagan yung daily income nyo. Pero meron ding corresponding na coins na kailangan nyong bayaran or use yung coins nyo para ma-upgrade yung pets ninyo. And then, guys, meron ding invite tab dito. So, for every friend that you invite, guys, you can earn 2,000 points. Or kung naka-premium Telegram sila, you can get 10,000. Aside from that, guys, you can get 5% from the score of your friends and an extra 1% galing sa mga referral din nila. Now guys, as you can see, ang laki na ng social presence talaga din ng Pixelverse. So this is their official Twitter account with 2.9 million followers. And ito yung official YouTube channel naman nila, which already has 1.62 million subscribers. And tingnan nyo naman guys, no, kung gaano karami din yung views. 4.6 million, 4.8 million, 2.2 million views. Ganyan kalalaki guys yung views na nakukuha ng YouTube channel ni Pixelverse. Ito naman yung mga Telegram channels nila guys. So as you can see, may 13 na, no, na Telegram channels, English Telegram channel si Pixelverse kasi napupuno yan every time. I think may 20 na nga. So hanggang 20 siya right now. Kasi I think at 300k, no, hindi na makapasok yung mga bago. So currently, up to 20 English channels na ang meron. Meron din tayong local channels for Pixelverse Philippines, guys, no. So you can join here. Lalagay ko yung mga links niyan lahat sa baba. But basically, napakalaki na talaga ng social presence ni Pixelverse na umabot na nga ng 14 million total. So talagang nakapag-build na guys si Pixelverse ng big community, which is very essential or very key para maging successful lang sa Web3 project. Then guys, ang gaganda nga rin ng backers nitong si Pixelverse, no. Last June lang nakapag-raise sila ng $5.5 million from top venture capitals and Web3 founders. So some of their investors guys are Delphi Ventures, Mechanism Capital, Merit Circle, Foresight Ventures, Liquid, Big Brain Holdings guys. Mga kilalang mga backers ito. And then meron din silang mga angel investors from these known brands like Sandbox, Animoca Brands, Yield Guild Games, The Labs, and GC Ventures, Biconomy, Breeder DAO, The Whales Capital. Ayan, mga kilala yung mga yan. I'm sure guys, kung naglalaro talaga kayo ng mga Web3 games, familiar kayo sa mga names na to. So, ang gaganda, guys, no, ng backers ng Pixelverse. And guys, one of the things that I always tell yung mga baguhan pa lang sa Web3 and Web3 games, how to determine if legitimate ang isang project is to look at the backers, no? So, itong mga investors kasi nila and itong mga backers nila, tinataya din nila yung name nila, yung money nila into a project. So, of course, they will do their own research and they will make sure na legitimate yung company. So, you as also doing your own research, ito yung isa sa mga things na magandang tignan ninyo kung kilala ba yung mga backers, reliable ba, legitimate. So, that's one way, no, to determine if a project is legitimate whenever you're doing your own research. Ayan, so may tip na kayo, guys. And that's not all, guys. Kasi talagang nagbe-build siya ng big distribution platform. So, ang dami nilang partners. And in fact, guys, even sa IP, cross-IP partnerships meron sila, no? So, some of the leading projects that they partnered with is, of course, I mentioned the first video ko is Mon Protocol. And then, Blum also, Karate Combat, Mew, and COQ of Solana and Avalanche ecosystems, no? Nag-partner na rin sila. So, may pets na makikita kayo doon that's based on these characters. So, yan yung mga cross-IP partnerships na nangyari na inside Pixelverse. And, of course, na-announce din yung launch ng Pixelverse Multiverse, which will add third-party games, starting with Huxley by Ben Mauro. So, si Ben Mauro, kilala siyang game maker, no? So, yeah, we can look forward to other games that's going to be under the Pixelverse Multiverse. And then, guys, I think in-announce na rin yung pagbe-build ng Pixel Chain, which is the first Layer 2 on TON to bring EVM compatibility. So, grabe. Testnet is coming na next week. Sobrang daming ganap, guys, sa Pixelverse. And this is really a long-term project. As you can see, ang dami nilang plans. Ang dami nilang naka-line up talaga. Na not just yung games, no, itself na pwede mong laruin, but long-term. So, magbibuild sila ng own chain nila. That's really going to bring a lot more into the Pixelverse ecosystem. And dito na, finally, guys, ang pinaka-aabangan ng lahat na major announcement. PixFi will be listed on major centralized exchanges today, July 18 at 12 p.m. UTC. That's actually 8 p.m. dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Now, guys, more information about the future of PixFi and kung ano man yung token utilities nito will be revealed once it goes live. So, maganda guys, abangan nyo yan. Very exciting yan. Pero binigyan ko na kayo ng a little bit of a preview guys kung ano yung mga possible na token utilities ng Pixelfy. Kasi guys, sa laki ng ecosystem ng Pixelverse and sa dami ng binibuild ng Pixelverse ngayon, no, ang dami talagang possibilities or ang daming pwedeng mga token utilities ni Pixelfy. So, very exciting ang future talaga nitong si Pixelverse. Ayan guys, so pakita ko lang sa inyo yung major highlights na mangyayari na TGE or yung token launch, no? So basically guys, for the metrics right now of Pixelverse, there's 13 million daily active users, no? So talaga, alaki talaga ng growth niyan. And then merong 50 million users registered in just 30 days. And TGE date, that's today guys, 18th of July, 12 p.m. UTC, 8 p.m. yan sa Pilipinas. And you can actually check this out on Bybit. So, it will be available in Bybit Spot Trading. No, ayan. So, abangan nyo yan. And guys, meron ding Tier 1 CEX listing that's been confirmed. And guys, for FDV, that means fully diluted value. Last round niya is 60 million. So, sa akin, based on my experience, no, usually umaakit pa to. Depende talaga sa popularity ng token upon launch. So guys, classification niya, it's a tap to earn, social gaming, GameFi, SocialFi, and yun na nga, may 7.5 million from Tier 1 investors na nakuha ito. And then the team, of course, is from Binance, from Trust, from Zerion, from StepUp, from Cross the Ages. So very, very experienced team talaga to. And of course, this is a tap to earn under the Telegram ecosystem, under the TON blockchain. So sobra talagang hype ngayon, no? Yung TON talaga ngayon. And then, of course, ang daming kilalang advisors and angels. We've gone through that earlier. And the same with the investors. And then also the partnerships. Ayan, very, very significant and popular partnerships. We've also gone through that. So, yun yung mga highlights or yung mga key information na magandang tignan nyo upon token launch. Kasi dyan yung madidetermine how popular, no? Or how hyped the launch will be. And sobra. I think Pixelverse, not just for the launch, no, pero in the future, I think this is really a project, no, na talagang for long term. Pero syempre, as always, guys, and I always tell you, always do your own research. Pero guys, I'm confident, no, even if you do your own research, you will find na Pixelverse's portfolio is going to speak for itself. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope may natutunan kayo. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and also follow me on my other socials. Nandyan lahat ng links sa description box. Also guys, make sure to follow Pixelverse, lahat ng socials and all related documentation para alam nyo paano maglaro o mag-start sa Pixelverse, and of course claiming your tokens, and of course information about TGE as well. Ilalagay ko sa description box down below. Don't forget na rin to join our community, Katropa Community. Search nyo sa Telegram, search nyo sa Twitter, search nyo sa Facebook. Again, all the links will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.